Hello guys, I'm Vicky and you're watching V8 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to build a bank management system with the help of C programming. I've already made two projects on this channel, both of them are login screen. So if you haven't watched these videos, go and watch them also. For now, let's start this project.
Okay, so first of all, we're going to declare some global variables. Why global? Because we're going to use same variables in the many functions, and if you don't declare them globally, so we have to declare them in each individual functions. To avoid this much work, we have to declare them globally. So first of all, it's going to be char name for name, and the second one is deposit amount, and the third one is total amount, and we're going to initialize it to 10,000. That means there is already 10,000 in the account, and the third one is account number, and that's it. First we're going to start with main function. So let's ask the user to enter his name, and we're going to use get as function because the name will be multi-word. And now we're going to ask the user to enter his account number. Now we're going to make our first function, which is the menu function. So it's going to be a void type and the name is menu, and so first we're going to print in bold letters that main menu, and first I want the user to deposit the money. The first option will be depositing money, second option will be withdraw money, and the third option will be transfer money. So that's our main menu function, and now we're going to call this function in our main function. So let's call this function. Now let's try to run this code. So let's enter. The account number will be 1234, and our main menu is showing. Now we're going to ask the user to enter his choice. So let's ask the user. And choice will be in integer, so let's declare an integer variable which is choice. Now let's run a switch case, and the input will be choice, and the first case is deposit money. The second case will be withdraw money, Now let's make our deposit function.
First of all, I'm gonna print the heading, which is depositing money, and second, I'm gonna ask the user to enter the amount. Now input that amount in deposit money function, which we already declared in the global section. Add that amount in our total money. Now let's print the message that money deposited now I'm gonna print current balance of the account, which is AMT. So this is our deposit money function. Let's try to run this code. And money has been deposited to our account. Now I want to store this information in the text file. What information? That the customer has deposited a particular amount in that account. So for that, let's make file pointer, which is ptr, and let's open a file. Our file name is gonna be account.txt, and we're gonna open it in append mode. As you know, because of the append mode, if the file is not exist, it will be created. So let's store this information, that ptr, and then now I want to store one more information. I want to store date and time of the transaction also. So for this, we're gonna declare an object of data type time t, and the object will be tm, and for the time we're gonna use a function called time, and we're gonna pass the argument tm, and now we will store this information through fprint. So date and time of transaction, and it will be of string type. So to print time and date of the transaction in string type, we're going to use another function called ctime. What ctime do actually? It will return the time and the date of the system in string mode. So let's print. Let's try to run that code. Let's deposit 10,000, and now let's go to our file, text file, and it's stored properly. 10,000 had been deposited to our account. The spelling is wrong. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my video. If you haven't watched my previous videos, go and watch them. Also make sure to click the subscribe button to see more videos from us. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.